Greetings everyone. I hope you all done good in this NDA examination that happened on September 1. So this video will be an analysis and the answer key of the maths paper. Right? So the analysis is there were a lot of easy questions which can be done only by remembering the formulas. So if you remember the formulas, you have just like 3 to 4 steps and then you get to the answer. So according to this question paper, formulas are very important, all the chapters, right? So out of 120 questions, almost 70 questions were only formula based. So let's get into the answer key. So first question, it is a mathematics question. Answer is D. So all three, it is just, so you have x, y, z, they have given some orders. So this is just multiplication. So you just have to see whether zy will multiply or xz will multiply or yz will multiply. So even if they multiply, what order it is, so you'll get the answer through that. So set of all irrational numbers between s, they are infinite, and odd integers less than 1000, it is a finite set. They are given it is a finite set, it is actually an infinite set. So again, it's only a only. I'm going to go fast because again, like I said, this only formula driven, and all of the questions are very easy. So let's go through. So 3, it is a, 5 power 4 will be the answer. 4, so how will you do it? You just convert this into minus omega square, convert this into minus omega, then take to the power of 100, right? So you'll be left with D. 5. So again, it's a matrix question. So here both of them have to be a null. Sorry, not both of them. Either of them have to be a null matrix, right? So if A is null, then AB is null. If B is null, then again AB is null. So this is B. So 6. So in the expansion, so here they have just got x cube. So how will you find x cube? Take the x from here, take the x square from here, again x square from here, take the x from here, then 1 from here, x cube from here, x cube from here, 1 from here. So you just multiply the corresponding values. So here you will have p, instead of n you will have pc3, pc2, here you will have qc1, qc2, multiply everything. So combinations, it's very easy, you can just convert them into formulas, do it, so you'll get the answer of p plus q. So that will be 7. 7th question, the value is a. Again, this is just sequence and series problem. 8 will be a, 1 only, you can verify it with formulas. 9, you have root 2, again just simple determinant problem, then taking the modulus, again very much elementary and formula driven. 10, this will be 0. 11, this will be C. You can see that these three will satisfy the condition for HP given that x, y, z are in GP. So 12, again you have A. 0, again this is a you take the determinant, then apply the rules for omega and omega square, right? So 13, you have A. 14, B. 6, 15, you have 1440. Again, keep the, in this question, keep the vowels together, keep the consonants together as one element, then do permutation inside them, right? Inside the consonants, inside the vowels. So again, so you'll get to the answer. Again, formula based. So 16, you have C. This you'll get the value to be 1. This is quadratic equation. So if n is the root, then substitute x for n. Here substitute m for n. Then make them equal. Get the answer. 17, it's D. Again, it's just combination, right? And 18, it's A. Again, simple determinant. 19, you have the C, 1 and 3. So P and Q together they are null matrix, so they'll be equal. So both. For 20, you have B, 0. So the determinant of any skew symmetric matrix is 0. So this is just direct. It's not even formula. It's a direct question. So 21 you have C. Again, just apply the rules here in here. So cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of x. Apply the rules. Get that. 22 you have B. 11 by 24. Transform this to cot. Transform this to tan. You'll get the answer. 23 you have A. Again, so this is just convert this into sine rule. Okay, compare sine rule and cos rule, you'll get the answer. So sine A equal to cos A, sine B equal to cos B. So that thing. 23. 24 you have the C. Triangle is the right angle triangle. So if this is the root for this, so take the sum of roots, product of the roots, then convert them into 2 alpha and 2 beta. So you will know the answer. 24. So it will be B. 25 it will be B. So again, triangle easy, formula driven. 26 you have C, only 5. So convert this into x, convert this into x, make it into an equation. You will get a equation with cot x power 5. So the degree will be equal to the number of roots. Here in the number of solutions will be only 5. 26. So 27 you have A n pi. Again, formula, convert this, get the answer. 28 will be B. So just take the inverse, take LCM, solve it, get the answer. 29 you have C. Right. So this you have to know sine 12, or if you know sine 18, or you can use, if you know sine 36. Sine 36 is one of the angle that you should be knowing. You can convert it, but so this, the answer will be C. 30, the answer is D. Right, take conjugate. If you take cos 17 minus sine 17, multiply it top and bottom, you will get the answer. 30. So 31, this will be only 2. This is irrational, but this is rational, because here we have square, the square will get cancelled. 32 you have B. This will be 0. Again, you can check, you just convert this, right, cross multiply, get the answer. 33 D. So 33 is D. Okay, so here you just have to cross multiply, take P by Q, then you take this down, then you do component 2 and dividend 2. So that will give you the answer to this. This is just component 2 and dividend 2 question. So here we have a bunch of set relations and functions problem. All are formula driven, all are very easy. So I'll just tell you the answer. So for 34th question, the answer is C. 35 you have D, 100 elements. Okay. So 36 you have B, only 1. For 37 you have C, 14 in the intersection. So 38 you have C, the common difference equal to twice the first term. Again, a sequence and series problem, you apply the rules. 39 you have A, none. 40 you have again A. 60 will be in the intersection. So 41, so in this case complex numbers, this you will actually get A, and for 42 you will get B. (43) is again D, one difference, and 44 you will get C, 75. 45 will be C, 46 will be B. 47 you'll get C. This is just so roots of the quadratic equation are equal. Do the determinant, so the b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. You take that from here, right? Okay, and then you'll get, so a square, b square, c square will be in HP, so that you'll get. Then so root of this equation, so you just apply x is equal to So root of, sorry, minus b plus or minus, you apply that for formula, you'll get this. So 48 will be C. 49, again, so adjoint of A, what is the formula for A into adjoint of A? So find the adjoint of A, multiply with A and adjoint of A. If you multiply again, so direct problem, you'll get D. 50, you'll get A. So just finding the A inverse, right? 51 again is, this will be A direct formula. Then 52, you'll get B, right, direct formula. So I'm just going to tell you the answers for vectors. So it will be direct formulas. 53 will be A, 54 again will be A, 55 will be C, both, and 56 is a rhombus, D. 57, get B, 1. 58 will be B. At 59 you'll get A. 60 will be B. So 61 you have C. So how will you find it? So just A, B, C are inscribed inside a circle, so you just take in account B and C. So this will be B, will be C. So here A can be here or A can be opposite of it. So what could be the angle? By the placement of B and C you can find it. Then 62, A cannot be determined because A can be anywhere, right? So they have only given the 2 points. A can be anywhere, 62 can be anywhere, so that's no sufficient data. 63 again it's C, right? 64 again formula based problems, B. 65, so diameter again direct formula, 65 will be B. 66 again a direct formula. So here you have to find the center, then just apply it in all these formulas and check which plane it lies. That's it. Whichever plane satisfies the center point, take the center point from the equation. So that will be a formula. 66D. 67 you have B. 68 you have A. 69 you have C. 70 you have D. So 71 is A. So we have gotten into functions, right? 72 will be A. 73 will be B. Right, so minimum value you need to apply applications of derivatives in here. So 74 again will be D, limit does not exist. 75 will be B. 76 you'll get C. 77, so this will be D. 78 you will get Bravo. So this is actually a quadratic equation, right? So you just substitute f of x minus 1, this negative 1 will be g of x. Take x is equal to t square, so you will get a quadratic equation here. So whether it has one root or real root, you just have to find the properties of roots for 78. So 79 it is B, so let apply the limits directly. 80 it is A. 81 it is C, cos square x actually. So here you have g of x and f of x, solve both simultaneously, right? Side by side, if you keep it and solve it, you get the answer. 82 it is A. 83 it is B. So it is just greatest integer function squared actually. So 84 you have B, so it will be both. Here will be both A1 and 2. So here 85 will be B, right? Greatest value. Again, the greatest value you can find it off and find it by application of derivatives or just by applying the limits. You can check whether which is larger. That's it. 86 86 it is A. Again least value applied application of derivatives. It's a direct question. So 87 it is B. Okay, again, so if bounded by parabola and the line is equal to K is, so this is in the integration, application of integration question. 87. So for 88 you have, this will be A, and it again for 89, so we have gotten with differential equations. 89 you get A 1, this is degree and order. Then for 90 you get D. Trying to find the solution, just differentiate each term. So you know that by differentiating this you definitely would not get that, right? So you can do it in my mind itself, this problem. 90, so let's go to 91. So 91 you have D. This is just direct integration. You know how to integrate x square, you know how to integrate x. This is just how to partition, so where it will become negative. So when you have a modulus, where to partition from 0 to 2, so it might be 0 to 1 and 0 to, then 1 to 2, or 0 to 1.5 and 1.5 to 2. So you just need to find that partition, right? So 92 will be B. Again find the partition from inside this. 93 you get C, it both. So again, if it is an odd function, so previously we found it's an odd function, so definitely this will be equal to 0. 94, 95 the answer is D. 96 it is A. 97 it is C. Like log of 2. Just apply, you can use the formula that so you have a limit A to B, then that can be transformed into f of B plus A minus X. That can be used for this. 97. 98 you'll get C. Do the same thing. So for 99 the answer is B. So here you just have to apply the so the numerator and the denominator. If you didn't differentiate the numerator, so what do you get? So here you have a root, right? Here you can assume the so you have numerator can be written as x plus 1 and x minus 1. Do the same thing for the denominator. Some terms will get cancelled, then you can use this 1 by root of x square plus a square formula to complete this, right? So for 99 you can do that, you'll get B. So 100 is again B. 101 the answer is D. So we have gotten into statistics. So this question 102 does not even require statistics. It's just sum of squares term, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. So you write the formula, divide it by n, that should be equal to 130. So that will give you 19. 103 the answer is C. So 104 again the answer will be C. So use the exhaustive events, they are given it as exhaustive events. Use the formula for exhaustive events. 105 is C, direct probability question. So 106 be A, again direct probability question. 107 you have A. 108 you have D. 109 you have A. 110 you have B. So for 111 you have the answer to be B. It's just finding the standard deviation. They have already given the what values we need, just have to find it. So 112 you have D delta, right? 112 you have delta, not 113. For 113 you have Bravo B. So they again probability, classic probability problem. 114 you have again Bravo, again classic probability problem. Here you have the independent dependent. You just have to check. So if it is independent, P of A intersection B will be equal to P of A into P of B. So that formula, so this you'll get delta all three.